Hello YouTube, this video is going to be showing my nerf guns, so let's get started. My first ever nerf gun, the flip fire. Now let's get to the other one, my second ever and my favourite one. Double striker. It's very accurate and silent. Now go to my third one. Sharp fire. Very good gun. It's a very good gun. And it's very good. So let's go to my fourth one, which is not very nerf gun, but it's kind of a nerf gun. So let's go. So hot fire. It's very accurate and all of that. So look, very hard to do. So you have to do it very hard. And my new one. Oh wait, this is my third one by mistake. A jolt. And this is my fourth one. This is my fourth one actually. And my newest one that I got today. The End Strike World. That's what I call it. And now I'm going to talk. This is the End Strike Elite, the Zombie Striker, sorry, this is the End Strike as well. Also End Strike. And Zombie Striker. So click that like button and subscribe. Sorry.